Welcome to Cortona, a city with over 3,000 years of history. Let's explore its narrow streets, historic squares, and the central Piazza della Repubblica, filled with stunning Renaissance architecture. We begin on Via Nazionale, one of the main streets of Cortona, connecting several key landmarks of the city. This vibrant road is lined with charming historic buildings, showcasing the classic Tuscan architecture. As we walk along, you'll notice the blend of medieval and Renaissance styles, with their distinct stone facades and terracotta roofs, offering a glimpse into the city's rich architectural heritage. On the right, you'll find Spazio d'Arte, Palazzo Ferretti, a medieval palace transformed into an art gallery. The building, dating back to the 17th century, is known for its collections of Renaissance and Baroque art. Cortona, with its Etruscan roots, has long been a centre of culture and history. In ancient times, it was an important city in the Etruscan Federation, with its origins going back to the 8th century BCE. The city is rich in mythology, being associated with the ancient goddess Tinia, the Etruscan equivalent of Jupiter, as well as stories from Roman and medieval times. Throughout its history, Cortona has attracted renowned figures. It was visited by artists like Pietro da Cortona, the Baroque painter, and the famous writer and philosopher Niccolò Machiavelli, who spent time here in the 16th century. In the 19th century, the city became a cultural hub for intellectuals and artists, with its stunning medieval and Renaissance architecture inspiring many. Palazzo Ferretti itself stands as a testament to Cortona's artistic legacy, showcasing both the influence of the Etruscan and Renaissance periods in its art collections. Ahead we see Palazzo Comunale, another symbol of Cortona. This palace, dating back to the 13th century, now houses the town hall and is a superb example of medieval Tuscan architecture. Besides its administrative function, Palazzo Comunale has witnessed many important historical events for the city. We enter Via Nazionale, a key street in Cortona, bustling with energy and commerce. As we head toward the square, we'll discover more about this vibrant town. Ahead is Biblioteca del Comune e dell'Accademia Etrusca, founded in 1727. It showcases Etruscan heritage and important contributions to European culture. We're now in Piazza Luca Signorelli, named after the famous painter born in Cortona in 1441. Once a meeting place for locals, it's still a popular spot today. Ahead we see Teatro Signorelli, a Renaissance theatre dedicated to Luca Signorelli. This venue, built in 1854, is an important cultural centre in the city, hosting theatre performances and opera. With its elegant atmosphere, the theatre remains a place where Cortona's cultural traditions continue to thrive. We're back in Piazza Luca Signorelli, where art, culture and history come together. bringing this medieval town to life. That was Cortona's historic centre, where history and art come alive. Subscribe for more adventures.